Good morning, YouTubers. I just wanted to tell you something I've just done. Many of you know One Lonely Farmer. He's a YouTuber. He's a farmer. He's a real guy. He's a real farmer. I mean, there's a lot of people, I think, who go on YouTube and they may or may not be who they actually seem to be on YouTube. But One Lonely Farmer is a real farmer who farms over 4,000 acres in New Jersey, of all places, who recently saved my life. And that's another whole long story, but a lot of you know about that. I was watching one of his videos recently, shortly after his and my adventure down there. He had a catastrophic fire that destroyed a tractor that would cost him like $170,000 to replace, which is the kind of money nobody has laying around. And he made a video I was watching today where he was looking at the burned up tractor and talking about, what it would cost to replace it. And he made the statement, he said, somebody said I should start a GoFundMe account, but I would never ask for money. Well, let me tell you something. I don't have any problem asking for money for One Lonely Farmer. And that's what I just did today. I started a GoFundMe account. I just put it up. I just donated $500. He has 145,000 YouTube followers. If every one of us gave $1, we could come pretty dang close to replacing that tractor. So I just threw my bet in. Of course, you got to keep in mind, not only did he save my life, but he's fixing my truck. For me to give him money, that's pretty normal, but I'm willing to bet the rest of you feel the same way. I know of farmers, real farmers, who, like Big Nail Maynard, you don't ever see him because he really don't spend a lot of time making YouTube videos. But he told me when I went to see him a few years ago that he had a tractor break down and he couldn't afford to fix it. And he watched one of One Lonely Farmer's videos on a tractor similar that he fixed and figured out how to do it himself. And it saved him thousands of dollars just because One Lonely Farmer was out there sharing that knowledge. He's an awesome guy. He has an awesome family. I'd do anything to help him. I am inviting you to have an opportunity to give something back to him. And I'm going to post the address for his GoFundMe account on this video. And you decide for yourself. If you want to be part of this, get on board. And if you don't, pray for the rest of us who do. Thank y'all. I love every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday morning. Bye-bye.